everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today I'm really excited about today's show because we have a special guest. He is the owner of ABC Fitness Studios. So when persons hear that, they automatically think muscles, fitness. Well, you are right. Welcome, Kenny.
Hi, Kenny. How are you?
I am well. How are you?
I'm well. I'm so happy to be here. We're going to have a fantastic time today cooking and
wonderful.
And preparing some good stuff for people to eat.
So, do you like cooking?
Absolutely. Well, once it's for me. I've never done this, but I'm really excited about it.
Healthy, nutritious. Now, Kenny, when we think ABC, we always think about children, starting, beginners, but ABC means something special to you. Tell our viewers what ABC means to you.
Absolutely. Aspire, believe, claim your best body. And that's what we teach at ABC Fitness. It's not just about muscles. It's not just about losing weight. It's about being in your best health, enjoying your best life, living your best life, and claiming all of those goals that you want for yourself.
It almost shows the link between body and mind, because you think aspire, you think your mind, you think believe, you think your mind. So fitness is not only about physical for you, it's about mental.
Absolutely, and that's the most important part, because once you get it right here, all the other stuff comes into play.
Amazing. Once you get it right up here, and that goes for even at school, when you get it right up here, everything else comes into play. Now, Kenny, at the beginning of the year, we often find persons make resolutions, and one of them is usually to go to the gym. So do you find an influx of persons coming to your gym, especially in January?
Absolutely. From the second week of the year, we found that people were just coming back to the gym because they wanted to get past Christmas. Some people believe
those Christmas pounds.
Yeah, they put on a little bit of it over Christmas, so they want to get back in the gym, they want to get active again. And because health is such a crucial thing now
it is.
in the minds of most people, I think that was the thing that made people more eager to really jump.
So how do you keep them? I mean, I know the new year, having to shed those Christmas pounds, they come to the gym. How do you keep them throughout the year? Is there something special that you do?
Well, we do a lot of special programs show with it. We keep fitness interesting.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, we have the saying, fitness has to be fun, and if it's not fun, it's not fitness. So we do a number of boot camps.
I love that.
We do a
Fitness
number of
must
challenges.
be fun.
Absolutely. We do little games. We have some of the members split into red house, yellow house, green house, blue house. So we create those little fun challenges
but
to keep the members interested.
How can you balance fitness must be fun, but yet you hear no pain, no gain, which makes me think that ain't fun?
Well, not all pain is good, but some pain is good. And if it's pain that comes from training, the stimulation of muscle, that's good. If it's too painful to the point where it interferes with function, then that's not good. We don't go that route. We try to make it fun, even though workouts are hard and challenging.
Wow. Okay, fitness goes along with eating healthy. And today we're making a healthy dish. We're going to be making grilled fish kebabs. So let's go over the ingredients. We have fish, which I already prepped, cut it into some small squares and marinated it. Fish always tastes better once we have marinated it with some seasoning. So we have our fish. We have some cooked sweet potatoes. We have our lime wheels. We have cut into wheels and cut in half.
And over here we have 3 varieties of the sweet pepper. We have the orange version, the red version, and the green version, which is going to be rich in antioxidants. We have onions, and over here the preferred oil, olive oil.
Now, fish kebabs would not be the same unless we have our sticks. So be sure to have your sticks to create your kebabs. Kebabs are really easy. We're going to take the stick, then we're going to, well, this is one where you get to be creative. You can add fish, potatoes, different colored peppers, lime, and the onion. But you choose whatever design, whatever style, however you want to do it. We will be creative now. But as we're doing this now, can you tell us a little about the show every year? So many persons attend the annual fitness show. I am one of them, and I absolutely love it. I am so inspired at the end of going to the show. Tell us a little bit more about what started your thought process when you started this fitness show.
But remember earlier you'd asked me about how we keep the members.
Yeah.
So back in 2014, we had a bunch of fit young ladies who really weight loss was no longer their goal, and they wanted something to reach to. And we have a situation where we proposed to them, well, how about taking part in a fitness competition? And they said, the idea sounds good. And we said, well, what we'll do is create an in-house fitness competition. We started 2015 with 16 girls for that in-house competition. Today is the ABC Intergym Bodybuilding and Fitness Competition, which is the biggest show on the island.
The biggest show. So many persons look forward to it.
Absolutely.
So we have plans for the fitness show for this year, I believe.
Absolutely.
What is the date for this year?
This year is May 25th. It's going to be at the Lord Erskine Sanford Center, and we're going to have another huge packed audience attending the show because we have 2 additional categories that we're looking forward to having this year.
So for those persons who are here in Barbados, be sure to visit this fitness show in May. And those who are not in Barbados, be sure to get a ticket because you can't afford to miss out on being here for this fitness show. Now let's get ready to prepare our kebabs. So I'm gonna choose fish and a potato. The potato is already cooked, which makes it easier. Then I'll go with an orange pepper. And I'll add some lime. Then I'll choose one of the other colors. And Kenny, you can go ahead and you can start.
Okay, lovely.
And you put them together.
So let's get the show rolling. Like another piece of protein right
We'll
there.
see whose kebab looks the best when you're done.
Oh, so this is a competition. Oh, wow, let's go.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want.
This makes food attractive.
And you eat your eye first.
Exactly, and if
With
it's
your eye
attractive, then you'll probably want to enjoy all of this.
Just look at that.
Minus the stick. You don't want to eat the stick, would you?
And of course, when you get to the lime, you know, you squeeze it on. We don't eat the lime skin.
Absolutely, yeah. There you go.
And you can rest it there.
Beautiful. All right.
Our kebabs are almost done. Colorful, pretty.
Yes, and it looks delicious even though they're not ready yet.
Yeah. And the mere fact that we used the sweet potato as opposed to the English potato. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, sweet potato have less impact on your blood glucose, and it's full of antioxidants and nutrients as opposed to the other white potato. So this is the preferred starch option.
So if you ever have a choice between the English potato and the sweet potato, I encourage you to go for the sweet potato. Now we're going to get ready to grill our kebabs.
Yes, can't wait.
Our kebabs are ready. So now, and it is hot. Make sure it is completely covered. And we're going to gently place our kebabs on and allow them to cook. Oh, you hear that sizzle? That tells you it's hot.
That sounds
Now the
alright.
place, we start to turn it occasionally. Because it does not take long to cook. Our potatoes are already cooked. And grilling the fish will take no time at all. When you see the fish start to turn white or whitish, you'll know that it's time to turn. Our fish kebabs are done. Kenny,
Absolutely.
they look wonderful.
They look wonderful. They smell wonderful.
Oh
I
my
can't wait to
goodness.
taste it.
The eye eats first, and by looking we can see we're ready to taste.
Absolutely. So I have to decide which one I'm going to try now.
I know, well you can see he has like jumbo kebabs. I have regular size kebabs, but kebabs are not the same unless you have a mixture of ketchup and barbecue sauce.
Yes, yes.
That really elevates the taste. But if you don't have ketchup and barbecue sauce, by all means still go ahead and try these kebabs.
Of course. Look
So
at
I'm
it. Look
gonna
at
just
the flavor.
roll
The
it.
juices. Yeah.
Oh my goodness! When you hear mouth watering, this is what you think.
So can we?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
There you go. soft.
Succulent.
It's juicy. Look at all the juices.
Peppers, sweet potato,
And the protein.
onions, and the protein.
The fish is nice and tender.
This is a meal on a stick. It has
Absolutely.
protein, carbs, and vegetables.
I have to savor this a little bit. I have to savor this.
This is so good.
We can have 2 of these, 3 of these, depending on your appetite. And just enjoy a sumptuous meal on a stick.
Exactly.
The carbs, all the vegetables and the peas, the peppers, different types of peppers. So you have 3 peas, the peppers,
So
the
good.
orange,
Yep.
or yellow, whatever you want to call it,
The
red
colors.
and the green.
The colors.
The colors.
And it's always said that you should try to make your meal as colorful as the rainbow.
Absolutely, absolutely. So
So
you get
the-
all the nutrients,
All the
antioxidants.
nutrients from all the beautiful colors. Not just your home should be beautiful, your food should be beautiful, and it makes you more nutritious. Kenny, that was so good.
Absolutely, better than good.
That was so good. And the flavors, you can see the juices just
Absolutely.
flowing from
all here.
the protein. It just adds so much to
Absolutely.
it.
The good fats as well, just coming out there.
I want to
Lovely.
thank you so much for coming on the show.
Oh, absolutely.
And for sharing about ABC. I'll ask you to remind our viewers again what ABC means.
Aspire, believe, claim your best body.
There you got it. Aspire, believe, and claim your best body. Grilled fish kebabs. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this video, I want you to look over here, see some of my other videos, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.